Hello, it's lovely weather, and I'm currently at Fenton Station, just waiting for the service station to leave. Plus today, we're visiting a brand new station that's just opened in West Yorkshire. It's the new Morley Station that just replaced the old one. So we're just waiting for our trains now. It's at 12:34. It's the Northern Class 195, and also the Northern service straight to Morley. I thought I might do Morley Station before I go away for next week, as I'm doing the venue, and our train should be arriving shortly.
Here, please retain all tickets, as you may need them to exit the station. For lunch.
So we're at the new Morley Station, and the old one is just down there. You see the old platforms being stripped. And yeah, this is my first time being at this new station, and it's not similar to platforms. This is only being built. This is gonna be the step 3 access station, and it's got the new waiting shelters on both platforms. I think it's got two there. Right, the only things you have here at Morley Station for now is the accessible stairs about There's 2 waiting shelters on each platform. There's one here, there's one over there, and there's about 2 more down here. And this is only on building, and it's not got any bins or ticket machines yet. As they just finished building this one, and they're done a stripped out station over there, which is the original Morley Station. This one's the new one. So I'm just climbing these stairs now. Go to the old Morley Station. Oh, still not the stuff I've been on, because they haven't finished the lifts yet. So this station is going to be accessible. It's just now walking to the original station. It's just about 30 meters, and see where it all went wrong. Alright, this is the old platform. This is platform 1, the eastbound platform from the original Morley Station. Oh, it's there's a train. I think they're gonna keep the bike storage here, as it's nice to touch. Let the bike storage stay in here, and they can travel not far from the other station. It's a bit dusty here. It's just trying to get rid of the old platforms. So we're currently standing on the walkway where the original entrance was. The entrance is just there. And this is platform 1. Platform 2 has already been stripped. But it's a shame really. The brick wall is still here. As you can see, there's still no smoking post. No smoking post on there. As you can see just there. and they also changed the signaling. The signal used to be about here before the tunnel, and it's now here where the new station is, and it's still about B01 it was, and Morley Tunnel is still here, but the other station is going. Alright, well, it's just nearly at the end of saying goodbye to the old Morley Station and having a look at the new Morley Station. So this station opened after the Transit Line upgrade finished on this route. As you can see, there's new track layout here. It's still the same, but it's still a nice curve around this station, and it's also got Morley Tunnel right there. But if you still want to do spine through this tunnel, I would just be assuming to film at the new Morley Station, or film up here where the old station used to be. Whilst this station might be gone forever. And yeah, sad to see the old station go. It's been featured on my YouTube channel many times, and I would originally prefer this station because it's not Morley Tunnel there, and it's been here since the 19th century. It was opened by the Leeds and Manchester Railway, and yeah, it's a shame to see it go. And Morley's not the only station that I'll be closing. Possibly is, as the Whiteball station is almost finished. Just then the platform's on, and the building. So yeah, it's time to head back to Morley Station. So before we go to the new platforms, let's just say goodbye to the old Morley Station. Goodbye, Morley Station. Goodbye, Morley. Thank you for serving us. And good luck to the future endeavours. I'm really sad. Why? Why does old station have to close? Why? So, farewell, Morley Station. 3 cheers for Morley Station. Morley Station for life. Oh, let's just head back to these and go back to Church Fenton. Right, we're at the station and it's just on our way to get another train back to Church Fenton. Just London train spot 4 at Church Fenton.